So we're credit chartered accountants and advisors. We're based out of Brisbane, Queensland, Australia, but we service Australia-wide. We're based online. We've been in business for just a touch over 2 years now. We've grown pretty considerably from 0 clients all the way up and through to we're servicing about 150 different client groups at the moment, ranging from mum and dad businesses, individual tax returns, all the way through to sort of large sort of turnover businesses, more on that larger end of that SME business scale.
Okay. And in terms of the marketing that you were doing, like going from 0 to where you are now in 2 years is like, it's a pretty good growth. What type of marketing were you doing beforehand, before you started working with MITCO?
Prior to MITCO, we were using another marketing agency that was purely content and social media, and it didn't quite marry in everything that we wanted to do. We leveraged a lot of our existing network, existing relationships that we had, and we realized that, look, marketing, you can't market like that forever, because there's only so much your network can work for you, until you know everyone you could possibly know. So for us, it was a matter of finding someone like MITCO that had the reach and the strategy for us, so that people can quickly Google an accountant and we're up there on the list. Okay.
So for you guys, it was quite important to be able to be found online on Google, for example.
To be seen, to be sort of part of the picture, part of the mentioning and things like that, because before we were doing almost content for content's sake, because we thought we had to do it without any real strategy behind it. Whereas with MITCO, we found that there was purpose to our content. There was purpose to our social media. There was a funnel, there was a sales process, there was everything that came with that, rather than posting something about a tax update that we thought our clients might want to know about.
Yeah. What were some of the challenges you were facing previously before coming across to MITCO?
It was more about finding an agency that could not necessarily do everything for us, but at least give us part of the strategy, execution, and everything that came with it, because we were struggling to find someone that would, we would talk to different providers and they go, oh no, we just do SEO. You talk to another provider, oh, we just do social media and content marketing. Or if someone did do SEO, they would be pushing hard at you to do ads. And they're saying you wouldn't make, you're not going to have any success with this unless we push ads. You'd sometimes find other people that we were talking to were just doing email marketing. And we thought, all of this sounds great, but we just need a home to put this under. And MITCO did that for us.
Yeah. Maybe let's talk a bit about then the results. You wanted to be seen and make sure people were finding you online. So what are some of the results that you've seen in the 4 to 5 months we've been working with you?
I'll admit this has gone way better than I ever expected. I just thought, look, if we get a couple of 100 clicks a month, I'm happy. If we get a few eyeballs come through that actually, click through the website, check out the website for a little bit, leave, I'm happy. To actually now get, I can't even remember what last month was. I think it was 1,500.
Yeah, last month was
visits.
1,500 odd visits and 70,000 impressions. So 70,000 eyeballs.
So to get that level in the amount of time that we've been working together, to then convert that into leads, even this afternoon, we had someone on our live chat on our website asking how they do a business activity statement because they had made a mistake with it. Okay. So that now they've then filtered into our sales funnel.
Yeah.
We've reached out to them and we've teed up a phone call for tomorrow.
Wonderful. Great.
So in the space of, I didn't expect it to work as well as it did, as quickly as it did. But we have been very impressed so far.
In terms of the actual experience of working with us and the team, how's that been for you guys from day one?
Seamless.
Is it?
It was, we were on board, like we literally went to bed one night without a marketing agency behind us, and then we woke up one morning with MITCO having our back.
For you personally, how's it benefited you as the business owner, like working with an agency?
Business ownership is lonely. And it's something that you want to be able to have the right people in the right places that you can talk to about what if we did this? What do you think about this?
Yeah.
Is this a dumb idea? Is this a good idea? And having the team at MITCO to be able to bounce those things off of have been unreal, because we've just been guessing otherwise. It's just been in my head and I go, oh, that's a good idea. Let's do that. And it might not necessarily be a great idea. And especially as an accountant, I'm good at accounting, not particularly good at marketing. So it's best left to professionals.
Fair enough.